Welcome to Horizon Systems Maintenance Series video, Checking for Line Leaks. Today we will demonstrate two methods for finding line leaks in vacuum and pressure systems. We hope you enjoy our video. First, you must create pressure in your line. If you aren't running air pressure in the line, then you won't be able to identify the location of the leak. This can be done during conveying when the system naturally has pressure. Another option is partially blocking the end of the system, like we've done here, by breaking a coupling and sliding in a plate to create an obstruction. Depending on the pressure that builds with this method, it is advisable that weights be removed from the relief valve. Remember that there's no such thing as a small leak. They all negatively affect the system performance, so you should locate and fix all the leaks to prevent system issues. In fact, it's best to perform leak inspections monthly or to inspect when a problem arises. A decrease in CFM would slow product delivery. Eventually, this would cause an increase in line pressure or a line plug with certain products, which would indicate that there is a line leak. Most leaks are difficult to detect by feeling and listening, so we suggest two solutions to identify the leak location. The first option is the soapy water method. This is for pressure systems only. You can spray all system connections with a mixture of water and dish soap. If the area produces bubbles, then there's a leak at that point. Because the system is under pressure, there is no danger of drawing the soapy mixture into the convey line. Compression couplings are extremely susceptible to leaking. The metal gasket protector, if creased, makes a line leak that usually cannot be fixed without replacing the metal gasket protector. The second method is using an ultrasonic leak detector to quickly and easily find a leak. This method is used for both vacuum and pressure systems. When a leak occurs, the device senses high ultrasonic frequency and the display panel lights up to show the strength of the frequency from low to high. Now you have successfully watched us check for line leaks using both methods, soapy water and an ultrasonic detector. We hope you enjoyed our second video in our maintenance series. Thank you for watching.